What is going on, lawn crew? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I am doing my first ever stump grind. So let's get right at it. I gotta go pick up the grinder and then we will head to the property and we're going to grind a stump together. Let's go! Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, make sure that you show that like button some love. Be sure to check out our lawn care wear shop on Teespring. The link is in the description below. You guys are going to love the shirts there. If you enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, we are here at the place to grind the stump. This is the stump grinder I'm using today. And actually, I'm only running it for 2 hours because I just have the one. I wish I had more stumps to grind, but this is the only one I've got. So I am running this one for $99 for 2 hours, which isn't bad. But let's take a look at the stump. I had Miss Dig come out and mark where everything's at. It looks like we're going to grind it from this way. And this is the stump we're doing. Now, we've got all this extra growth around it that we're going to try to get rid of too. Those are just Michigan sucker trees. I don't know what else to call them. So we're gonna get rid of those and hopefully make this thing look really nice for them and get it taken care of. So let's get moving. Alright guys, we got it ground down. Beautiful. I took it nice and slow to make sure and grind it up really fine as I could, because we had a stump ground up in our front yard at home and it had huge chunks, and I didn't want to leave that for these people, so I made sure to take my time, go nice and slow, take a little bit off at a time so that I can leave it nice and mulched up for them. So alright, I just gotta put all this stuff kind of back in the hole and stomp it down a little bit, and then we're done. So let's go. Guys, finished product. I ran over it a few times with the grinder, smashed it down good, and hopefully with the rain and everything it'll just stay nice and hard for them. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was my first time ever grinding a stump, and I actually enjoyed it. I enjoyed running the big equipment. I enjoyed putting the work in, especially right now when there's not much to do. And I really appreciate you guys watching. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you when we have another stump to grind.